Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about one of the most important things you can install in your car today. And you're not going to notice mine unless you zoom into it. And that is the dash cam, namely the DDPAI Z40. DDPAI was established in 2013 as an innovative enterprise dedicated to world-class imaging solutions, like this dash cam over here. With that being said, we are actually one of the top in the dashcam category in both Shopee and Lazada.
If you're in the market for a dashcam, you might want to consider the DDPAI Z40. Let's face it, driving in the Philippines is tough, with accidents, changing of road rules, and angry people. But with the DDPAI Z40, that will be a thing of the past. And it's very easy to install on your own, as you can see here. You get a front camera with a screen interface, a rear view camera that connects to the front camera, a car charger, and a USB-A to USB-C cord. Using a Sony sensor, you get a 1944p resolution that works as your best evidence in case of an accident. Just in case the micro SD card fails, the built-in NAND flash will store the emergency footage. And the Z40 is durable even in the Philippine tropical climate, with its supercapacitors working between -20 degrees to 70 degrees Celsius. It works great at night, it shows the 1944p at the front and 1080p at the rear, it auto-cycles memory, it has GPS and speedometer, and it has an app to maximize its features. And here's the demo of the DDPAI Z40 of both the front and rear camera. If you're interested in buying the DDPAI Z40, check out the links on the video.